Don't walk so fast, Stephanie, stop. Where did it
Short taco.
Get it, shorty. Okay, you can stop
I'm
it.
a Katy Perry. Hi, I'm Stephanie, and I'm not in their channel, but I'm still cool.
Okay, I vlog outside and then home. So this is my vlogging outside. Vloggity vlog outside in the cool air.
Irma, please.
There's some trees over there, some nature-esque. There's a fire hydrant. Summer has been going good. That's all I need to say, and like, bye. Okay, we're getting off the elevator, and like these people that came from the
Oh, it's raining.
See what I do for Daily Aliens? I vlog in the rain. This is, well, I'm not really in the rain right now.
It's not raining, it was raining.
I was in the rain. I was.
No, she wasn't.
Okay, so this summer we have been walking places. Like we went to the mall, and then there's a stupid airplane flying in the background. Okay, we went to the mall, and then we went.
When are we gonna do our scavenger hunt?
Oh yeah, we have to do a scavenger hunt, people.
Let's go tomorrow.
All the Daily Aliens people have to do. We're gonna do a scavenger hunt at sunset. I mean, the falls. And tomorrow I have baptism video.
Oh, yeah,
And it's at the falls. And we're gonna have Stephanie like plan like this whole list of things for us to do. And now there's like people staring at me because you're holding a camera in my face. You're gonna think I'm famous. I'm gonna be like Charles Trippett. I just did. Oh my god, if we do the celebrity, if we do the favorite YouTuber person thing,
Irma, stop
I'm gonna
talking.
pick I Justine, Charles Trippy, or Community Channel. So I just gave you guys like a hint. Okay, that's it. Bye. Oh, we have
Doesn't help. It doesn't help, 'cause every time I